What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. You are watching the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. I am Mr. Clark Griswold. Thank you guys for joining me here today and being here for this video. Guys, listen, if you're new to the Strat, you're new to trading, you're struggling with trading, struggling with the Strat, or you're new to the channel, what we're doing here, what we're showing people, what we're teaching is going to absolutely change the way that you guys trade in the stock market. You're going to become profitable and consistent and more confident in your trades. Okay, but the very first thing I need you to do is go down below, click that subscribe button, and hit that bell. That bell is what gives you the notifications for when I send out videos just like this one every single day for free. Guys, this is our watch list. What did I do? This is our watch list for Wednesday, August 10th, okay? And I send these videos out for you guys every single day. I do watch lists. I do top 5 watch lists, weekly swings, monthly swings. There is over 300 videos in this channel for you guys to learn how to trade profitably, how to trade consistently, how to become more happy while you're trading, how to work on the psychology of trading, entries, exits, how to manage your trade when you're in them, okay? The different setups that we take. The list goes on and on and on. I've got them broken up into playlists for beginner playlists, for learning tool playlists, how to trade SPY, how to trade gaps, how to trade the 30 and 30s. Go take a look at the channel, the playlist. I've got everything for you guys that you need right here. If you're on Twitter, I am also on Twitter, at Mr. Clark Griswold. You can give me a follow there. If you guys have questions, feel free to DM me, tweet at me. I will get back to you guys usually the same day. I'm here to help you guys out. Hey, I send tweets out throughout the day with trade setups. I do the same thing on my Discord. The Discord link is down below in the description. Get in on that Discord. I have a bunch of different channels. I've got some private channels in there with live trading bots. They send you guys the trades so you don't have to go looking for them. Okay? A bunch of different stuff. I've got a Griswold Strat indicator that I've created. There's a video on how that works and where you can get that because it's not located in this indicator tab on TradingView. You can get the link in the description below, or everything I offer, guys, is on the Discord. Okay, everything, whether it's free or paid for, everything I offer is on the Discord, and it's 95% free for you guys. Okay, so go check it out. 2 more things. Number 1, the platform that I use here, this charting platform, is called TradingView. If you're new and you've never used TradingView, or you're looking for a trading platform to use, go down below in the link in the description. There's a link for TradingView. It gives you a free 30-day trial to any one of their different programs, the different setups that they have. So you can get a free 30-day trial. If you decide to use TradingView with the subscription, you'll get up to $30 off of that subscription, but you need to click on that link down below in order for that to take effect with the 30-day trial, okay? And then the last thing, guys, the ads that pop up. I know they suck. I know they're annoying. I'm asking you now to keep these videos free. Let those ads roll through because those advertisers pay for this stuff to be free, okay? So that's what I'm asking you guys in advance. For me putting these videos out for you guys for free, I ask that you let the ads roll through. Go get a drink, go get a snack, come back, and we can roll through every single one of these plays that we've got here. Stay tuned to the end because I've got the top 5 at the end of this video. There's going to be one video tonight. There's not that many plays. I've got the top 5 at the very end for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned right till the end. Those top 5 are the plays I will be watching the closest tomorrow morning or Wednesday morning, whenever you're watching, okay? So let's get started here. The first thing I want to go through, guys, yesterday on the list, I gave you guys a bunch of plays, and I said Neo and SPY I'd be watching the closest. Neo was a 2-up to finish red, and look at this gem. Dropped like 5% today. And I gave it to you guys. I said I was watching closely. If you go down to I'm not going to do it here, but go back down to the 5-minute chart. This thing was very, very clean coming down. You would have made really, really good money on Neo. So I ended up taking Neo puts at the end of the day here because I'm looking at these broadening formations here, and I'm looking for it to tag the bottom before we have a reversal back to the upside, okay? So we have time frame continuity fully to the downside. I'm looking to hit in this 1850 range, and I think the strike price I took was 19. $19. I got in at like 30 cents. So we'll see how they open up in the morning, and we'll go from there. Anyways, I wanted to go through that Neo play. I gave this play to you guys yesterday. I told you to watch Neo. Okay, SPY, the same thing. SPY was a little tougher to play, but SPY provides opportunity throughout the day. That's why I love watching it. But SPY did the same thing. It had a break to the downside. You could have made some good money on SPY today. Let's get into the main watch list, guys. Number one on the list, DraftKings. I know DraftKings stung some people today. Okay, so DraftKings stung some people because it had a small drop. Look, if we go to the 5-minute chart, off of that inside bar, okay, that shooter candle. If we go to the chart here, 9:30, here is where we opened up. I already moved it. Well, okay, anyways, I already moved the trigger, the yellow trigger. It opened up, it ticked down just ever so slightly, and then it reversed back up. So a lot of guys got stung here on DraftKings. That sucks, I know, but guys, what we teach here and what we show you guys and what we're trying to push out to you guys here is your stop losses. If this thing reverses, just get out of the play, okay? And if your job is to preserve the capital that you are trading with and manage that risk. And the best way you can do that is if this thing, like Neo did today, Neo dropped, if it reversed, get out of the trade. And then you're going to catch one that goes 20, 30, 40%. And those little 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 percenters aren't going to matter anymore because you get those big wins on the opposite end, okay? So that's why we keep our stop losses tight. Mitigate the losses and you will become a successful trader. That is the key. Mitigate the losses, okay? So on DraftKings, we had a 1, 2 down. I'm going to look for a reversal to the upside. 1, 2 down, 2 up. Okay? Let me make this a little smaller because we're 1, 2 down, 2 up. So we're looking for a break. We're going to look for calls on DraftKings at 1873. Okay, probably 1874 actually. 74, 75. 1876 is what I'm going to look for a trigger price for, okay? And then our first target is just at the top of this inside bar at 1926. Yes, the day and the week are red, but if we trigger here, because these first two candles, this is Monday's candle, this is Tuesday's candle, if we trigger to the upside, we are already green on the day and we will be green on the week because these two candles represent these two candles right here, okay? So as soon as we're up above this point right here on the bottom of this inside bar, we're green across the board outside of the year. So I'm going to look for a 1-2-2 Rev Strat reversal on DraftKings. We're going to take calls at 1876. Strike price, take it $19, take it $18.50, whatever you want. Either one of those works. I take the closest expiry. That's the way I do it. You can take out a little bit longer if you want. Okay, next up, we're going to go into Coca-Cola, ticker symbol KO. KO with the inside bar. Realistically, this one probably could be on a top 5 watch list for me. It's not. It's got great premiums, so maybe it should be. You can add it in as a bonus play, okay? I'll give you that. Coca-Cola, we can take calls at 63.31, puts at 62.85. First targets to, let me get this. There we go. First targets to the downside there. First target, order of magnitude to the upside right there. And let's change that to green because that's how I mark out my targets. Now, I want to show you something. This Griswold Strat indicator right here, it's part of the indicator that I've got. It's an all-in-one stop shop. Gives you the time frame, paints the inside bars, gives you the IB tab, gives you these candlestick numbers, okay? When you see these inside bars, guys, I want you to think of a spring getting loaded and compressed and tightening, or a jack in the box. And we want these things to explode to one direction or the other once they open. So we can go back in time and take a look. These inside bars break. Or at least that's what we hope they do. This one, gap down, ended up being an outside bar. This one here, opened here, triggered, and this one wasn't great on Coke. And again, I go back and show you guys these because they don't always work. This one opened up down here, so it was a gap. This one went outside bar, but we triggered and hit targets first before we reversed down. So again, they don't always work, guys, but the probability of them working is quite good. It's very high, and that's why I like inside bars. They're also easy to spot. So again, on this inside bar, we can look for puts at 62.85 first targets. We are also, as I was saying before, on this indicator, I know we're inside bar on the week because of this yellow circle, okay? I also know because I've got these pink lines here. I don't even think I have both of them on there. Let's hop back here. There's the other one right there. It's the top target, so it was just covered up. Where is it? Here it is. So this is also the top of the inside bar. Is that it? Let me go just do this. Let me do this. Inside bar. My bad, guys. Sorry. This inside bar is this week. This candle here, 2 up, finish red. We're looking for a 2 down. That's what that indicates. We are currently inside bar on the week, looking to go 2 down. My apologies. So this is our trigger to go 2 down on the week for the reversal. So if we go 2-1-2 reversal on Coca-Cola on the day, we are going to go 2-2 reversal on the week on Coca-Cola. So pay attention to Coke. This one I actually probably could put, like I said, put it as a bonus play on the top 5, okay? Apple is up next. AAPL had a 2 down that finished green. So again, I don't really care what this color is, but when it's 2 down and it finishes green, it gives me a higher probability that this thing is going to continue to trend up, okay? So we can look for this. We can take calls at 165.81 on Apple. First targets at 167.80. I would like to see this weekly in the other direction. It will not flip until we hit right here. But that is through less than halfway through to the first target. Okay, I would like to see the week, but if we only have the hourly and the daily, I'm okay with that. Oracle is up next. Oracle, I think, also had a 2 down green. It did. So again, we can look for calls on Oracle at 76.92. First target. Let's mark it out here. There we go. 77.43. We've already gone 2 down on the week on this thing. So we'll see what happens. Do we have potential for an outside bar? We do. This purple here is our weekly. Where is it here? Let me spread this out. That's our weekly 50% target. That's also part of the Griswold Strat indicator. It's right here. Okay, so if we go on to the week, we've triggered to the downside, and here we are. Do we have potential to come back and be an outside bar in Oracle? We very much do. So if we trigger and hit targets, I would say Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday give us a good opportunity for Oracle to go outside bar. That's one thing I want to show you on SPY. Another thing. I called it out in the last video. I said SPY is close to going, passing the 50% marker to go 2 down on the week. Okay, and someone else mentioned in the Discord. So here we are, that purple line right there, that is our trigger to go 2 down on the week. So, or to go outside bar on the week. So we've already passed it. If SPY comes down a little bit more on Wednesday, we don't have much more to go, and we very well could be looking at an outside bar on SPY for the week. So pay attention to that, guys. We're sitting right on that 50% trigger to go outside bar on the week. BAC, inside bar, Rev Strat 212 reversal. This is a fat hammer candle. We can call it a hammer, I guess. It's not quite there, but it's pretty close. A fat hammer candle. It's got this big head on it. Calls at 33.96. First target at 34.29. It's a 1-2-2 Rev Strat reversal to the upside. And last one, guys, before we get into the top 5 here. This is JP Morgan with an inside bar. Okay, inside bar. You guys already know how they work. They don't break the high. They don't break the low. They stay within the range. Consolidating range. Let's see how this one plays out here. calls at 115.99, puts at 114.37. We are already 2 up on the week. We've passed this weekly trigger here, so we'll see if we can get a continuation into the week on JP Morgan. I would suspect yes, but let's wait for it to trigger to the upside to see if that happens. Okay. Top 5 guys. Citi Group. Double inside bar on Citi. The last time we had one, we went outside. So we opened here, we triggered, and didn't quite hit first targets. The last time outside of that we had a double inside bar on Citi Group, I can go back and find them easily because the Griswold Strat indicator paints them blue for us, just like this. So we will go up, double inside bar. Let's zoom in to see what we've got. There we go, inside bar, and again, we gapped down. So we opened here, came down, and then we end up filling that gap. I saw one more back here. Let's go through it real quickly, and then we'll move on to the rest of the top 5. There we go. Let's go up and see what happened with this one. Double inside bar. Here we go. Open, boom, big drop. Trigger, target, target. Didn't hit that target. But that, again, was a really good play. And again, they don't always work. Are they magic beans? Sure, in a sense. I've called them that before. Sometimes they really work. Sometimes they don't. Essentially, though, as Cyberdog would say, Strat Soldier, it's still an inside bar play. Okay, we're still playing an inside bar. And that's the basis of it. It's still an inside bar. A single inside bar. It's just a rare pattern to see 2 of them in a row. It's showing consolidation for 2 straight days, and we are looking for a breakout out of that to the upside or the downside, looking to break out of the inside bar as well that we've got on the week. I know that because we've got the 2 pink lines, and it's telling me that it was an inside bar, okay? So we can go to the weekly chart, okay? This was our previous inside bar right here. Actually, it's not. That should be out. This is telling me we're currently inside on the week. You can see that there. And again, we are looking to trigger 2 down, 2 up reversal to the upside on Citi Group. And if we can do that on this double inside bar, then we are very likely to hit this right here and become a 2 down, 2 up reversal on the week on Citi Group. Next up, we've got Chuwi, CHWY. Chuwi, inside bar, calls at 47.52, puts at 45.76. Targets are marked for you guys. Let's see how this one plays out tomorrow. Fubo. Somebody asked me about Fubo today, what my thoughts were, which way it was going to go. I have no idea, guys, to be honest. Like, time frame continuity is telling me it's going up, that we have buyers. So let's see what happens. We can take calls at 384, puts at 351. Target to the upside looks really good at 404, so we'll see what happens. We can take it, we cannot take it. We'll see what happens. I'm guessing he's in this long in one direction or the other, and he wants to know what's going to happen. We'll see. That's number 3. Number 4 is GE. GE has an inside bar shooter candle, okay? Bearish pattern, inverse hammer. Calls at 76.09, puts at 74.86. We will see what happens with GE. And the last one I've got for you guys is GS, Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs also with the inside bar. We can look for calls at 338.19, puts at 334.68. You guys can mark out your targets. Guys, that's the list. Good luck trading on Wednesday. Make sure you're following me on Twitter. Get in that Discord. Subscribe. Hit the bell. Get in the Discord. Follow along with what we're doing here. We're going to learn and earn together. I hope you guys are green trading on Wednesday. I don't know if I'll be around. I think I'm going to the zoo with my kids. I'll be around for a little bit, though. So in the morning, good luck, guys. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.